Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Tuesday, June the 17th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1, President Trump left the G7 after firming up a trade deal with the United Kingdom. But he hinted at roadblocks on other fronts, saying Tuesday that Japan was being tough in trade talks and the European Union has failed to offer a fair deal. Number 2, U.S. stock futures are pointing lower. NASDAQ futures are down 0.4% after the tech-focused index rose by 1.5% in the prior session as investors shook off worries over the conflict. Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 futures are also lower by around 0.35% after the indexes posted gains yesterday. Oil futures are nearly 2% higher. Gold futures are little changed. Bitcoin is trading down nearly 3% at below $106,000. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note is lower. Number 3, Amazon announced it will extend its Prime Day discount event to 4 days after the promotional event for its Prime subscription service last year produced record-setting sales. Amazon's Prime Day will begin at 12:01 a.m. Pacific Time on July 8th and continue through July 11th, adding 2 more days to the event. Amazon shares, which entered Tuesday slightly lower for the year, are down about 1% in pre-market trading. Number 4, Palantir Technologies shares are rising slightly in pre-market trading after the AI-powered analytics firm closed at a record high for a second straight session Monday amid optimism over its government contracts. Shares of Palantir have rocketed 87% higher this year, thanks in part to the company's expanding role with the U.S. government under the Trump administration, with reports showing that at least 4 agencies have deployed a Palantir software platform called Foundry. Number 5, the Senate is preparing for a final vote Tuesday on a bill that would establish the first federal framework for dollar-backed cryptocurrencies known as stablecoins, a major victory for an industry that has pushed for more favorable oversight in Washington, D.C. Though passage of the Genius Act in the upper chamber won't yet make the new legislation law, it still needs approval from the House and President Trump. The crypto world is already lauding the bill's swift progress as a major step. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.